Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Legends Iron Man model, model 20. Okay, model 20 Iron Man Marvel Legends action figure. Okay, this is the action figure out of the box and meron siyang mga accessories, couple of closed fists and open hands. Tapos meron din siyang mga repulsor blast effects. So let's start with the head. So yung head niya very angular in design. So you have the black mouth, white yung eyes, buti painted yung kanyang eyes para mas may definition yung kanyang expression. And also you have the white and yellow arc reactor. It's a diamond shape. Tapos mas intricate yung design nito compared dun sa mga other models. This one is the model 01, I think. Wait lang. Yeah, that's the model 01 na gold version. So ito mas intricate and mas modern yung design. So if you collect Iron Man na mas modern yung mga armor designs, I think this one is a nice addition sa inyong collection. So first, yung plastic niya hindi siya super vibrant red. Ano siya, para siyang satin red. Tapos very dull. Dull yung kanyang red. Hindi siya super vibrant, and also may mga flexible plastics tulad nito para hindi siya super sharp and safe siya for children. And what else? Itong kanyang shoulder armor, nagagalaw siya para sa better articulation. Pwede nyo rin siyang tanggalin. Kung gusto nyo mag-modify, pwede. And you have the chest, the shoulders. Yung color scheme nito ay red and gold. Yung gold niya, medyo saturated yung yellow dun sa gold. Kasi merong mga gold, halos katulad din nito. Ito may very matte. Ito may gloss. Gloss yung finish niya. And super nice din ang gloss na gold na finish. This is very clean. No level of weathering. So you have gold here sa kanyang biceps, sa waist, sa legs. And dito sa part din ng legs na to. Yan. And sa back. Okay? Tapos meron ding circular section dito sa legs. Ang ganda ng design nito kasi para siyang butas. Ganda ng boot design. Tapos you have the kneecaps, then you have the leg design, and then you have the shoe design. Yung effects pwede nyo rin ipasok dito sa ilalim ng shoes para pwede siyang pwede nyo magawa yung mga dynamic poses or yung mga flight poses such as these, yung mga ganyan. Okay, in terms of articulation naman, so the sculpt is very nice and also the paint job is very sharp and wala naman ako nakikita mga paint defects. Okay? Yung red plastic ginamit nila dito sa body. Pero yung gold, maayos naman yung pagkaka-paint niya. Okay? Up, down, ganda yung articulation ng neck. Okay, pwede siyang tumingin ng mataas. So pwede for flight poses such as these. Okay, tapos yung kanyang arms, butterfly joints to, so you can move the arms outward and inward. Okay, tapos 360, you can move the arms up, okay, down, 360 to. Tapos pwede mong i-rotate yung shoulders, yung arms. Tapos double jointed yung elbow. You can also push down and push out yung wrist, ab crunch, ab stretch, hip waist rotation, thigh cut, thigh rotation, kick, tapos out, back, back. Okay? Ganun lang. Tapos double jointed knee and ball joint yung paa. So yun, if you are into Iron Man Marvel Legends, this is a very nice action figure for you. Ganda ng mga poses na pwede niyong gawin din dito. Okay? Try natin maggumawa. Okay. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for... Ay, teka, bago tayo umalis, pwede nating i-replace muna yung kanyang head with Model 01 head from Marvel Legends 10. This is from the Model 01 na gold version. Try lang natin. Okay. Ayos naman, pwede. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!